What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over Alright guys, so before we jump on into this, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button real quick. It's right there. Just give it a quick click. Helps me out, helps you out, helps us all out. So without any further delay, let's jump on into this recap. There's a lot going on today in the sense that not a whole lot is going on, if that makes any sense to you. This morning I took two trades. I went 1 for 2, finishing the day basically green, break even-ish. It's like, what, maybe I can probably go buy like a McFlurry or something. The first trade was in pre-market. I thought I could nail a pre-market mover today. I had high hopes there on TROV. We were holding the 200-day moving average. Had news. 9 a.m. was creeping up. So I thought to myself that, we would have a good shot there to test pre-market highs and make a nice profit. I do have the trade recorded for you. Let me bring that up for you real quick here. So here we are, TROV, we're in 500 shares at 438. The 200-day moving average was at 426. So my thought process is we had this nice push. We're consolidating here right above the 200-day moving average. Every little dip gets bought right back up. I'm thinking 500 shares here, adding 500 shares at that 450 pivot break area, and selling into that push to 475 and $5. That was my plan. Could have made a real nice profit there. Just didn't work out. It didn't work out. The bids start to dry up real bad, and we take the L on this trade. 3-minute trade here, but we're going to go ahead and start fast forwarding a little bit here. So here we start to get this action where we pull in all the way down here, right to the 200-day moving average. I'm watching to see what's going to happen in that area. We want to see a quick bounce on some good volume. And we kind of do get that action, if I'm not mistaken, on this one. Yeah, see, we're right back up there in the 430s. We see volume is increasing. The dip to the 200-day is getting bought up. So I'm getting pumped up there at that moment. I'm thinking this is going to be a real good trade. I'm going to kick off the pre-market with a $200-300 trade, and it's going to be a good day. But nonetheless, it does not give a crap about my plans, and it goes ahead and this comes right back down to the 200-day. It kind of like gives us that little bounce, nice increase in volume happening, but it just doesn't stick. It doesn't stick, and we see lots of selling going on. Look at this, 424, 423, lots of selling. Look at that tape. It's all red. It's a bloodbath, really. Look at that. It just keeps red, 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 red. Once I see these 420s, 413K bidder there at 420, I keep my eye on that. Once I see that starts to dry up, that's when I get out of the way. See, it dries up, and I get out, close it out, and it goes all the way down to 415, and it doesn't stay there. Okay, look at this. There's all pre-market action here. Let me get this other recording for you. Oh, no, this is open. This is not open already. It did, continue to dip down in pre-market. It went all the way down to like $4. At one point, it was at 390s. So this is the pre-market action here. I thought we were gonna get, a nice like rebound here and go right back up to test on AKTX, the high day. So I was just watching. I was not trading yet. I did trade AKTX, and that's my winner. That's my nice winner today. Let me see if I can get that one. I know it's recorded. Yep, here it is. So what's going on here? Why is it not? Let's open that up again. Okay, so here we are in AKTX. We just had that VWAP break. Nice little increase in volume there. Not bad at all. We break over VWAP. We kind of pulled back a little bit, and I got long there at $4.48. Gives me a 450 cost average with commissions. 500 shares. I was looking for a quick scalp. Why? Because we're not seeing extension moves. We're not seeing big continuation going on. So I'm looking for scalps. 20 cents, 15 cents, 30 cents. I'll take those scalps all day long in the current environment. So we're in there, 450. and we're looking for a break over, you know, the high a day. We do get that, and it's coming up here. There it is. Bam. We get that nice break over high a day, volume increasing, but I'm looking for scalps. So I took it off right there, as you can see. A little bit over $100. Took that profit and went home. And I'm glad I did, because look at the action we get in this. It comes all the way back down to under the previous morning high. Look at that. It just stays floating there. Not bad action, right? If we would be in the environment where things have been continuing. Here is the rest of that action. I did record it. Go ahead and bring that over here. I'm glad I took that profit, because look at that. Not only did we go ahead and make that new high, but then we took it all back and we went back under VWAP. That's why I took my profit where I did. I'll show you all my orders here in a second. And doesn't recover, as you can see. That was pretty much it for me today. Let me show you these orders. We have my pre-market. We have my pre-market buy on TROV at $4.37. Stopped out at $4.20. Then we have my buy at $4.48. Sell at $4.68 on AKTX. Winner bigger than the loser. Not by a whole lot, but it's bigger, and that's what you want. At least it has to be bigger, right? The winner. So right now, I've been looking at ATOS here. I was looking for this move, but we needed bigger volume. This is garbage volume, so I'm not even going to touch this. I was looking for this ATOS to break over this VWAP on a nice fat increase in volume, at least 100,000 share on a 3-minute candle. But look at this. It's not, what is this? 40,000 share candle. Not really liking it, and I'm pretty much done on the day. You know, finishing up the day green. I'm gonna go buy that McFlurry right now and enjoy. How did you do today? Let me know what you traded. Not a whole lot's going on. Look at my scanner here. These are my trade idea scanners. They pick up everything, you know, they really do. But not a whole lot's going on, guys. Look at these top gainers. It's just not a lot going on today. If you're interested in trade idea scanners, the link is in the description. You get 15% off if you use my coupon code and link that's there. Let me know again what you traded and how your week is going. I'm going to keep my eyes on this ATOS. Okay, so I did end up taking that ATOS trade. I did not get in down here how I wanted. I did not get in on the VWAP break how I thought I could have, because the volume was just not there. And it was, you know, a little bit kind of like nerve-wracking. Like I didn't feel like, well, not nerve-wracking, but I just didn't feel that it had the potential to make the move, right? To give me the move. I felt it was just, the volume just wasn't there to make it happen. But once we broke over the previous morning's high, which was at 3:30, we did so on a very nice, huge volume bar here. So when we pulled back into it, you know, I figured this is going to be the moment to get long, because there's support there. There's going to be support there because we had such big, huge volume on the break through that area. So I got long there. Here are my new orders. 334, and I sold at 344. Why did I sell 344? Because today I have a scalper mentality. Honestly, I do. Look, there it goes on to 350. I think that would have been the top anyways. For me, anyways, I would have thought 350 would be the top, even though it does have potential on the daily to get to 360. But 350, you know, with the lack of volume we're seeing today, would have been the top for me anyways, thinking that, right? But it does have, you know, room to 360, like I said. However, I did get flat at 344, and I do have that trade here live for you. Let me bring it on over. Okay, so we're in this here at 344 on this consolidation here. That's looking real nice. And I'm just looking for it to push off of that area, get close to the high of day, which is 345, and put out an ask there, put out an order on the ask and see if it gets filled. So I have here 344, and I'm going to sell the full lot. I'm not scaling out of trades today just because I'm going in with scalper mentality, like I said, just because of the lack of volume. We're in earnings season. Small caps tend to get a little bit choppy, and I'm not looking to get chopped up. I'm looking to just make some quick profit and get out of the way. And that's what happens there. Put my sell order out. I cancel my hard stop. I put my sell order out. Right about now, I should be putting that one out. And there it is. So right around, what, 50 bucks on that one. So not bad. Not a bad day at all, actually. I'll catch you on the next one.